Good morning, teacher Laura. My name is Magda Marcela Agudelo Bolivar, and today I am going to talk about my last vacation. In the intercultural project, I choose the plan B. Okay, the first question is, where did you go? My last vacation was the last year, and I went to the lagoon of the Cocha, located in Ipiales in the department of Nariño. We went with my husband and my 3 children, and I remember my husband drove 2 hours to get there. That day was very cold and it was raining. I remember we all had jackets and umbrellas. Okay, the second question is, what did you do? Okay, in that place you can do it many things. We drink panela water with cheese. That day we ate trout and we took a tour of the entire lagoon by boat, and we went to a church that is in the lagoon in the middle of many trees. It's very beautiful, and we saw a beautiful landscape, and we saw many ducks. We walked all over the place, and the mountains looked majestic and large, covered by the mist. Okay, the first question is, what was your vacation? The vacation was beautiful. The food, the landscape, the company were great. It's a place I recommend going, and I really enjoyed my vacations. Okay, teacher Laura, thanks for your attention, and goodbye.